Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 and we will present about Total Quality Management and ISO 9000.
Before answering the question, I would like to present about what is the definition of Total Quality Management, TQM. TQM is a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction. It also focuses on improving products, services, and internal processes to meet and exceed customer expectations. Moving on to the answer question number 1. Implementing total quality management in company can improve process management in context of employee engagement and development. This can be done through training and skill development, where TQM emphasizes continuous learning, offering training to improve the employee's performance and problem-solving skills. TQM TQM training often includes teamwork and communication skills to enhance collaboration with others. As a result, employees become more competent, which enables them to enhance their ability to improve competitiveness and address customer satisfaction issues directly. Apart from that, TQM can also improve customer satisfaction by focusing on delivering high-quality products and services that consistently meet and exceed customer expectations. For example, TQM emphasizes understanding customer needs and expectations through feedback, surveys, and market research such as Google Forms and Google Reviews. As a result, TQM may minimize defects and improve product performance, which means higher quality products result in fewer customer complaints. In a conclusion, implementing TQM might be a better initial choice for Reliance Control System, considering their need to improve competitiveness and address customer satisfaction issues directly. If Reliance adopts TQM, it could establish a culture of continuous improvement, empowering employees to refine processes and achieve better product quality. This approach would also help reduce costs and improve customer satisfaction over time. Thank you, that's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Moving on, to answer the question 1, the third answer is supporting TQM is cost reduction. Cost reduction in TQM, when implemented within the framework of the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award, is a systematic and strategic process. The MB and QA itself focus on excellence in areas like operations, customer satisfaction, and workforce engagement, complements with the TQM principles, resulting in significant long-term cost savings. So, how TQM can reduce the cost? TQM itself do elimination of waste, which is an operational efficiency. According to the MB and QA, it emphasizes efficient and effective processes, which is central to the TQM. By identifying and eliminating non-value adding activities, which is waste, organizations reduce costs related to the overproduction, excess inventory, or inefficient workflows. A manufacturing company like Reliance can eliminate unnecessary steps in production, reducing labor and material costs. Next, TQM also lower costs of quality assurance. TQM focuses on building quality into processes rather than relying on extensive end product inspection, which aligns with the Baldrige. Focus on proactive quality management, streamline quality control processes, reduce the costs of inspection, testing. For example, they, which is the organization, can implement automatic quality checks integrated into production lines, saving on labor costs and time compared to manual inspections. Besides that, TQM also provides long-term benefits. TQM itself provides innovation and adaptability to the organization. The Badge framework encourages innovation by fostering a culture of learning and improvement, a principle inherent in TQM. So we can see in the example of companies that have adopted TQM and the Badge framework often lead their industry innovation. For example, Boeing company. So the other benefit is improved organizational culture and leadership. The Badge framework encourages visionary leadership and a culture of continuous improvement, which are central to TQM. Over the time, this creates a unified and purpose-driven workforce where all employees are aligned with organizational goals, fostering innovation and collaboration. A positive organizational culture ensures long-term employee retention, higher productivity, and adaptability to change. So we're moving on to the question 2.
Before I move on to my point, let me explain first about ISO 9000. ISO 9000 is a set of international standards for quality management systems, ensuring organizations meet customer and regulatory requirements. It promotes efficiency, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction, with ISO 9000 being the most widely used standard. Next, let me explain the answer for question 2. ISO 9000 is important as it can maintain the standard and consistency in quality. ISO 9000 emphasizes the development of standardized process and procedures across all departments. This ensures that the company produces consistent and reliable products, reducing variability in production. In addition, by adhering to a consistent framework, the company can maintain uniform quality across the different product batches with enhanced reliability and customer satisfaction. Moving on to my second point, implementing ISO 9000 can cause company to get global recognition and market access. ISO 9000 is an internationally recognized quality standard. Achieving ISO certification can open doors to global markets where certification is often a requirement to do business. Many large corporations and government agencies prefer or require suppliers to be ISO certified. This can provide a competitive edge when bidding for contracts or expanding internationally. For instance, Toyo Engineering and Construction Company. Toyo Engineering and Construction likely prefers to be ISO certified, particularly with ISO 9001, due to the numerous benefits it offers to organizations operating in highly technical and competitive industries like engineering and construction. The benefits could be enhanced reputation and credibility of the company, meeting clients and industry management, and improved efficiency and cost savings.
The third regulation is enhanced customer confidence and satisfaction. ISO 9000 certification provides an internationally recognized standard for quality management systems. By achieving ISO 9000-2000 certification, Reliance Control System can demonstrate its commitment to consistently meeting customer expectations and regulatory requirements. This certification can clear to customers that the company giving high quality standards to ensuring product reliability and safety. As a result, customers are more likely to trust the company's product and service, which can lead to higher level of satisfaction and loyalty. In competitive industries such as electrical power generation and distribution, customers often prefer suppliers with a proven track record of quality, and ISO 9000 certification can serve as a key differential that enhance both customer confidence and satisfaction. The increase can make customer more trusted. The fourth regulation is improve operational efficiency. ISO 9000 requires companies to document and standardize their process, which ensures that all operations are carried out in a consistent and controlled manner. This documentation serves as a beginning for identifying efficiencies, blockage, or unnecessary steps in the production process. By systematically analyzing this process, the company can implement corrective actions and process improvement that leading to more efficient operations. In addition, the emphasis on continuous monitoring and regular internal audits helps identify areas that require attention, whether it's reducing waste, improving workflow, or enhancing resource allocation. By this continual review cycle promotes a culture of continuous improvement. As a result, waste is minimized and production costs are reduced. Over time can lead to greater operational efficiency, which direct contributes to enhanced profitability. The focus on eliminating inefficiencies and optimizing resources helps the company become more cost effective, which is for the critical for competing with the lower price overseas competitors. Ultimately, the ISO 9000 framework supports the long-term improvements in the company's bottom lines.
So, moving on to the third question, which is, do we believe there might be a third approach that could satisfy both factions? What will we propose? We will propose a third approach that can effectively satisfy both factions and relying control systems, those advocating for total quality management and those supporting ISO 9000-2000 certification. The key is to combine the strengths of both systems for a comprehensive and practical solution. So, for the first point is TKM principles within ISO 9000-2000 implementation. First, we suggest we implement ISO 9000-2000 as the foundation of our quality management system. ISO 9000-2000 provides a solid foundation for quality management with clear standardized processes. This ISO standard provides a solid framework for documentation and ensure international recognition. We also can embed TKM principles into the system, such as focusing on customer needs and continuously improving processes. This also allows us to standardize our practice while driving a culture of excellence throughout the company. So for the second point is continuous improvement. Next, we should integrate continuous improvement into our ISO 9000 system, which is a core principle of TKM. TKM focuses on continuous improvement by regularly assessing and refining processes. This means that instead of just meeting the standard, we adopt an ongoing effort to refine and improve of our processes. This technique also, like PDCA, which is plan, do, check, and act, will ensure that we are always evaluating and enhancing our products and services. This approach keeps us competitive in the marketplace and ensure we are always adapting to customer feedback and changing the demands. So moving on to the last point, which is employee training. As we know, employee training is very essential in the company. Invest in training programs to ensure that employees understand and can actively participate in both ISO 9000 and TKM is also an initiative. For both ISO 9000 and TKM to succeed, everyone in the company must understand the quality goals and be trained on how actively participate. By investing in regular training programs, we also can empower employees to take ownership of the quality processes and also identify areas for improvement and also contribute to achieving excellence in every department. So in conclusion, by combining ISO 9000 with TKM principles, we can create a robust and adaptable quality management system. This approach not only meets international standards but also fosters a culture of continuous improvement and employee engagement, which will enhance our competitive edge and help us to maintain long-term success.
As a conclusion, ISO 9000 ensures standardized process and compliance, while total quality management fosters continuous improvement and customer focus. Combining both approaches offers organizations a path to improve quality, efficiency, and sustainable growth. That's all from us. Thank you.